Learn how to keep the electric furnace clean. There are numerous things in your house that you have to hold, but none is more essential than the electric furnace. This is especially profound during those cold winter months when all you wish to do is curl up in front of a warm fire of under a large blanket. But often we are forced to crawl from underneath to join the real life, and it would be pleasant if our home was warm and comfy around those times. But the furnace is not good to anybody if it does not work right. There are dozens of problems why your furnace could be broken. For some, the trouble can be mechanic or electrical. If so, then it is greatest to call an electrician to come to your home and fix it for you. These are perplexing problems and can be made worse by someone who does not know what to do. However, there are times when the problem is simple and may take merely 10 minutes to mend. Normally this problem starts in the filter. This is an essential function of the furnace and, if not cleansed every so often, will cause the furnace to not work the right way or to cease wholly. The only method to repair it is to clean them on your own. Dirt is one of the worst problems for furnaces because it can sneak inside and build up in the deepest fissures. It will cause you to exhaust your fuel and lower the efficiency with which it functions at. The only thing that is able to keep this dirt at bay is the air filter. The importance of it is what makes it more worthy than most parts of the machine and necessitates that you clean it every once in a while. There are two different filters that can be employed in your machine. The first is the permanent filter. This is produced to be cleaned out and only substituted when it is broken. All you need to do is get rid of it from the furnace and wipe all of the dust off of it and from round the inside where it is placed. The other type of filter to utilize is the expendable kind. These are produced to be substituted every now and then and are alike to the air filters you utilize in your home. When it is time to buy a new one for your electric furnace, just get rid of it and substitute it with one of the corresponding size. Afterwards, your furnace should be functioning like new. Electric furnaces are great to have in your home, which is why you need to learn how to repair furnaces. Article source: https://ezinearticles.com/expert/Naomi_West/271935